How to start making money with Shopify. The first thing you'll think about once you hear Shopify is setting up a dropshipping store, which you'll simply sign up with Shopify on their free trial, and you will head over to a website, for example, like AliExpress, and from here you'll simply get products from AliExpress and post it on your Shopify store. And once someone goes on your Shopify store and does a purchase, you will go back onto AliExpress and then sell the products to them and collect the profit. That's the first thing you'll think about once you hear Shopify, right? Well, have you ever thought about becoming a Shopify affiliate? Well, Shopify affiliate program is actually one of the highest paying affiliate programs around, as you'll be able to earn anywhere from $25 to $50 for a simple sign up. And as you may know, Shopify is one of the most popular platforms when it comes to setting up an e-commerce store. So I would recommend that you sign up to their affiliate program. It's free to sign up. All you'll need is either a website or your YouTube channel. So you can either decide to set up a blog on which you'll talk about different products on Shopify, or you could create a YouTube channel on which you can simply do how to, as you can see right here, and you can simply put in any keyword. You can simply put in how to and put the P before Shopify, and you will see numerous keywords that persons are searching for on how to set up their Shopify store or how to promote their Shopify store, as you can see right here. What I would recommend you do if you are setting up a blog or a YouTube channel is that you simply write down all of these keywords that you see right here and you create a video on them. And after you have created the video, you are going to also add your link in the description. So once a person watches your video, you can simply direct them to the link in the description to sign up for Shopify. And you as an affiliate, you will get a percentage every time someone signs up. Another way how you can make money with Shopify on YouTube is by creating a YouTube channel just like this, on which you talk about trending products from AliExpress. And again, you'll be leaving your affiliate link in the description for Shopify. And as you can see here, this person doesn't show their face, and in fact you don't even have to use your voice, as you could just have music playing in the background, or you could get someone to do a voiceover. And that's it. All they do is simply compile videos that they get from different stores, for example AliExpress and Amazon and off TikTok, and they simply say that these are some trending products, some products that will be trending this week or so on. You could definitely create a YouTube channel like this. Another way how you could start making money with Shopify is by creating your own brand. Shopify again makes it easy for persons like me and you to start creating our own brand. So you could go in and start doing, for example, print on demand. So you could print up some t-shirt and start selling on Shopify. There are numerous ways how you can make money with Shopify. So you could definitely explore it. And again, if you don't want to sell anything on Shopify, I would recommend that you create either a blog or a YouTube channel. And this is an example of a successful Shopify store. You probably heard of it before, ColourPop. And as you can see right here, you could start your own brand just like this. All it takes is just time and effort. So definitely give it a try. Shopify is definitely a good option if you are looking for ways to start making money online. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.